So guys, assalamu alaikum. We are here to with the new video, that is SAP S4HANA production planning and execution. So these are the steps that we are going to perform. The crux of this whole exercise is, first we will do the planning for production, and then later on we will generate some documents that will place an order, and then they will receive the material from the supplier. So this is how the whole exercise will work. These are the steps that we are going to do, and this is the table of content. So let's start with our exercise. So first we will definitely log in into SAP system. We will go to the production planning and execution. Now here what we have to do, we have to go to the production manager. Here is the production manager and the product master data app. So here is the manage product master data app. So here what we have to do, once we click on this one, now they are saying in the search screen enter DXTR star and then your number. So here in the search, this is the data that is required to enter. So we will replace this triple hash with the number as usual, and this star, definitely it will remain as is. Then we'll click on go. Now you can see there are 3 items available: DXTR1, DXTR2, DXTR3, and then your number. So what actually we are going to do in this, one by one we are going to do some changes in this data. So click the line of deluxe touring bike red, this one, for detail of the product. So we click here, so we get the details of the product. These are the details. Okay, what next? Now they are saying you have to do the edit thing. So once we click on this one here, or to edit, what we do, we will click here, we will get in, and here we can do the edit. So this should be, you can now understand, this is a normal practice. Whenever we want to edit something, we have to get in and then we can perform the edit activity. Use the pull down menu to select the plant section. The window automatically scroll to correct position. So the plant section, here the plant section, and here what they want, here they are asking us to see this plant Dallas DL00, plant Heidelberg HD00, plant Hamburg HH00, and plant DC Miami MI00, we are already knowing, and a plant SD00 San Diego. Now what they are doing, at the end of the each line, or at the end of the line DL00 plant, open the plant specific product master data. So DL00, what we have to do, we have to click here. Okay. So now we are here. Over there at the top you can see it shows plant Dallas DL00 and all these things are there. Now what next? Select the MRP data area. MRP data area. And here what you have to do, scroll to the correct position, enter 40 in the strategic group field. Strategic group field here. So here you have to put 40. Okay, then select the forecasting and required periods area. Forecasting required periods. Now here what they are asking us to do, in the period of initialization field enter 12. Periods of initialization, required periods, periods of initialization. So here they ask us to enter 12, then control data area here, and in the control data what we have to do, optimization level field, and select optimization level F. Here optimization level F. Then select parameter optimization. So select parameter optimization. Let's see where is this parameter optimization. Parameter optimization here. You have to be very careful, no need to go very fast, you can go slowly, but make sure that you are entering the correct data at the correct field. Then now assign the smoothing factor, enter 0.20 for alpha factor, so here these are the factors. Alpha factor 0.20, beta factor 0.10, उसके बाद, and then after that one trend value 0.30 for gamma factor, and then delta factor is also 0.30. Okay, after entering all this data, then they say that click on apply. Then they say that click on save. So you will receive this message, master data record saved. Then they say that go back with this arrow, and now you have to repeat this whole activity by using both the other material dxtr1 and dxtr2. So we'll click here. Now we will click one by one. dxtr2, get in, edit, and here again what we do, we will repeat, go back to this page that is in our exercise is page number 5. Yes, page number 5. So we will repeat this step again by clicking on edit, but now we have a material, different material, and now we have to click on plant section. Plants section, and in the plants section now they are saying what we have to do. We have to again select the DL00, this one, get in, and in DL00 what you are going to do, MRP data. So MRP data, and in MRP data again we have to enter all those things that previously we have added. Strategic group 40, then select forecasting. So in forecasting, required periods, and in required periods what we have to do, we have to enter 12 for initialization period. Make sure you remove the unnecessary 0. Then go to the control area here, and in the control area what we need, we have to enter the optimization level. Optimization level is F. So here is the optimization level F. Then parameter optimization we have to select. Then smoothing factor we have to enter alpha factor 0.20, beta factor 0.10, gamma factor 0.30, and the last one, delta factor, is also 0.30. Then after this, click on apply and then click on save. Now you have already added 2 material. We will repeat this activity with our third material by clicking here, go back. Now select the third material, get in. Again we will do the same thing. Click on edit first. I am going back to page number 5 again, and we will perform those steps. Here click on plants, and here you have to click on so let me just see it here, plants, and under the plants you have to click on DL00. So here is the plants, and here Dallas DL00, get in, and here again we are going to do the same thing, MRP data, and we have to put the strategy group 40, then forecasting, under forecasting, required periods, here period of initialization 12, again carefully remove 0, and then control data screen, optimization level is F, parameter optimization is selected, smoothing factor is here, alpha is 0.2, beta is 0.1, and gamma is 0.3, and then delta also 0.3. Okay, now after entering all this data, what they are asking us, click on apply and save. So now we have done with all the 3 materials. Updation required, we did it. Now we are going to do step number 2, and you can see what is the step number 2. Change material, we are done. Change routing. So for that one, where we have to go? In the production planning and execution space, and the role of production manager, use the change routing app. So we have to go out from here, also from here, change routing app. Now here what they are asking us to do, they are saying in the material number field, put this data, replace triple hash with your number. So my number is 999. Plant DL00, capital small doesn't matter. And then they are saying also make sure this group field is empty. Now they are asking us to press operations. And here what we have to do, you can see a list. Now what they are asking, you have to click on allocations here, and they said if they do not visible to you, then you will go in menu, and then you will menu, go to, and then allocation. So fortunately it is by on screen it is visible, so we will click on allocations, and here they are asking us select the row touring frame red, that is TRFR3. So let's see where is TRFR3. If it is not here, go down, definitely that will be there. TRFR3, yes, this one, see, and then your number. So TRFR3 is common for everyone, and then your number. My number is 999. So they say that select this one, and touring seat kit TRSK1. This one you can see TRSK1 and then your number. Now they say that click on new assignment. So here is the new assignment. Now what is the new assignment? You have to put 0020 for activity. So we will very carefully enter this and confirm the entry with green tick. Okay. Now they are saying back in the routing change material component overview, you can see that both components have been assigned to activity 020. See here, this one 0020, here 0020 and 0020. Now they are saying Repeat this process for all other components and assign them to operations below. Now they are saying here is a table. Now in the table they are saying for TRHB1 make it 30. So let's see where is TRHB1. Here you can see this one. So we'll select this one, click on new assignment, and here in the activity we will put 0030 and click on green. You can see assigned. Then they say that TRWA, this one, select this one, new assignment, and then here 0040, again this one, then DGAM1, here is DGAM1, new assignment. Now for this one 0040, okay, then CHAN1, here new assignment, and for this CHAN1 0050, again green tick, and then BRKT1, here new assignment 0060, green tick, then PEDL1, here new assignment, and for this one 0070, then WDOC1, here new assignment, and for this one 0100, then PCKG1, new assignment 0100, green tick. What left? So these are all the material, their roots need to be changed, so we change it. Now what next we are going to do? We'll click on save, and you can receive this message. Routing was saved with group this and material this. Now what next we are going to do? Now in the next step they are asking us, that is step number 3, display product group. So in this step it is just a display, you are not going to do anything, so you can skip this step number 3 and directly go to step number 4, that is create sales and operation plan, that is also called SOP. We will discuss this term in our theory class as well. So we have to come back from here and we have to go where? Again in the production planning exercise, create sales operation plan. Now here what we have to do, we have to put this PG, this field, and replace this triple hash with your number. I am replacing it with my number. Plant will be DL00, click on active version. Now here you can see, record the version number. So this is one thing that you have to note down. Version number is A00. Okay. Now menu edit, create sales plan and forecast. Menu edit, create sales plan and forecast. So just note down this. This is the place where we can find out the forecast. Now select period interval, forecast from current period current year to previous period next year. Okay, now current period current year means like this is current month 7 2024 to 6 2025, so this is correct. And then in the historic data they are saying 6 2017 to 3 2021 forecast execution and model selection. So here they are asking you like 5 years before. So it is also giving you the, what you can say, that an idea that the production and the historic data they are using it's like 6 month and the 3rd month. So let's try to do the same as they are mentioned in the exercise. 6 2017 to 3 2021. Let's do it as they are saying. Auto model selection. Here is already selected auto model selection. Compare your screen with the one below. Definitely this screen is given in the exercise. You can compare from there. Okay, what next we are going to do? So now you can see here forecasting, historical, and all this is there. So what we do? Historical values. Compare your screen with one below before clicking on historical. Now you have to click on historical. We receive this message: original historical period, this that was smaller. So we reach to this place. Now this is the screen. You can see all those messages. We just say okay. M3 2021 starting and ending at M8 2020. Okay, so what next we are going to do? Now they are saying click on forecasting. Now in the next pop-up, the system select trend and season. See, trend and season. Click on forecasting again. Now after clicking on forecasting again, this screen you will see. Then they say that click on this green tick. Now the sale forecast has been transferred to your sales operation planning. Okay. So you can see this. This is the material. This is the plant. Numbers are there. So then these numbers are coming from the previous period. Now what next we have to do? As target days supply, enter 5 for each forecasted period. Target days supply. So they are saying put 5. Okay. What what next? Now again they are saying be careful, they did not ask us to save anything, so we just enter this value 5 in all these fields, and then now they are asking us in the menu bar select menu, edit, again menu, edit, create production plan now, and then synchronous to sales. So this will be the path we have to follow. You can see wherever I am following some menus, I am just keeping that screen still for some time so that you can easily note down. So now after this one, what you can see, the one of the line has been moved from there, and the sales plan is now going to be your production plan. So this you can see now, sales and production, the same numbers are there, and still you can see 5 is there. Now in the system menu, select menu, edit, create production plan, targets days supply. So menu, edit, create production plan, and now target days supply. See, so you can see also one more stock level have been populated here, and here range of coverage is also populated. So now we have 5 rows populated with the data. Now they are saying save. So you will receive this message, the plan saved under this version number. So far no new number generated because we haven't generated any document. We are still doing the planning. Now we are going to transfer this sales and operation plan to demand management. So what we are going to do now, first we have to go out from here. Now we have this option, transfer SOP to demand management. So once you click on this one, you will have this screen, and on this screen what they are saying, make sure product group is this one, plant is this one, version is A00, then select production plan for material or PG members as proportion of PG. Production plan for material or PG member as proportion of PG. So already this is selected. Deselect the invisible transfer. Remove this. Then what next? Present the disaggregation result on another screen. Allow the planner to modify the results. So this production plan format is this as production of PG and active. So where is active? Here, it's already active. We remove this invisible transfer. Okay, what we have to do next? Transfer now. So now we are on this screen. Now here you can see, select the transfer now and examine the planned independent requirement generated for DXTR1. See, DXTR1. What next? Now they are saying click on save to save the demand for DXTR1. So we'll click on save. See, requirement saved. We received this message. Now they are saying after saving, the save system jumps to independent requirement for next material. See here, now it is instead of 1 it is 2. So they move us to the second material. Now examine the independent requirement generated for DXTR2. See, it's already there. Now they are saying continue with save. Finally the planned independent requirement for 3. So we'll click on save here, and you can see this number, after clicking on save, this 2 become 3. See, now it become 3. So again for the 3 we are also going to do the same thing. You can see you will receive the same message, requirement saved. So all 3 material are saved now. Their requirement demand is same. So saved. So you receive this message, requirement saved. So this is our step number 5 done. Now step number 6, they are saying review demand management. So I guess when we are doing this review activity, mostly, yes, we have to do few things here. So let's go there. So first we will go out from here, and then we will see what step we have to do. Maintain PIRs. So we have to go to production planning execution space and role of plant manager. So we have to go down now here. Plant manager, and under the plant manager use maintain PIRs app. It is display here. Okay. A welcome message display informing you that you don't need yet belong to the area. Confirm okay. If we receive this message, let me see here. My area of responsibility. No, let's go back. That is not an option. Maintain PIR. So let me check here in the plants manager. Maybe maintain PIR, maybe change PIR. No. Let's type here. Maintain PIR. See, maintain PIRs. So if you do not able to find that option, type there in the search. Now they say that you need to assign an area of responsibility before you start working on this app. So this is the message. So we say that okay, click OK, and now you have this screen. So my area of responsibility screen appear with a list of existing plants. Set your responsibility for plant DL00. Here DL00. So what we do, how we are going to set against the DL00, we just click this one. So you can see rest of them are red, this only become green. So this responsibility has been assigned. Now they say that click back, maintain PIR screen, expand the search by pressing this. So you will go back again, you will come on maintain PIR screen, and here what they are asking you, clicking on down arrow and maintain PIR. Okay, you will click on down arrow, and here what they are asking, when you click on down arrow, not here, the plant is DL00 already pre-selected. All my app? No. So let me just search what they are saying here. So when we click on back arrow in the maintain PIRs screen, expand the search by pressing this. Let's search it with the plant, this one, DL00 already selected. Now enter DXTR star then your number as search and change the version active field no and select yes. So we will make it yes. Okay, remove no, make it yes, and here the plant, the material, DXTR star, and then my number, you will put your number and then click on go. So now you can see all the material displaying here, all the three material. Now they said select all of them and then edit, click on edit 3. Now here you can see all this. View planned independent demand for the deluxe touring bike product for all three material. So nothing is there, you can see now nothing is going to save, nothing else, just they are showing you as it was just review. I thought there was something to do inside, that's why I get into this step. Otherwise we can directly go to step number 7 now. So let's cancel this one and go back from here also. Now where we have to go? Sales, we have to go to in the plant manager, schedule MRP run. So we will go out from here, plant manager, here, and again here they are asking us to go on schedule MRP run, run MRP with MRP apps. So let's search here, schedule MRP run with MRPF. So here we got, now you can see they are mentioning material DXTR3, plant DL00. Now here what they are, the control parameter can be adopted and should be filled in by the system as follows. Processing key and tag, just match it. Create purchase requisition 2, SA delivery schedule line 3, create MRP list 1, planning mode 1, scheduling 1, and then select display material list here. Now what next? Once you click on this one, press enter. Warning message will appear asking you to check input parameters. Press enter to confirm and bypass the warning. So we press enter. You see they just please check the input parameter. Again press enter to ignore this warning. So now you can see this screen. Here what they are mentioning, materials planned 17, material with new exemptions 17, and material with termination MRP list 0, nothing is there. And at the down you can see these are the material values you have set. Already the system has set, we just check it. Scroll down further and there will be, you will see a detailed listing of all material considered. If you go further down, you can see all those materials 399, 199, 199, it's just everything. Now they say that we'll click on this SAP. Okay, now what next? Again you have to go to production planning execution space role of shop floor worker. So production planning execution shop floor worker, and here what you have to do, use monitor stock requirement list, this one. Now on the individual axis tab, enter material DXTR3, it's already coming. Okay, individual axis and then material, and this is already coming up. If it is not, you will type. Plant is DL00. Now they are saying click on continue. Now this is the screen, stock requirement list and everything is coming now. Now here choose summation, switch to period totals. This will allow you to see the planned independent requirement. Now this sign they are asking us. So when you click on this one, it will come like this. Now they say that select this, what is that option? Go back to individual rows, go back individual lines. So we'll come back here. To view the detail of first plan order, PLDORD, select this magnifying glass here. Okay, so this is the first plan order. See, there are another one, but first plan order. So this is that, click here. Now the details are there now. Now what they said, again select this to display the pegged requirement. So which option you have to select? 3 computers and up arrow, this one. So this one you have to select. What is the explanation? Pegged requirement. So this is the pegged requirements. What is this? This is the order report. So don't be confused with this one, this pegged requirement. So what we do, we will select this one. Now this is the plan order, stock is there. What next? You can see this plan order is to fulfill our safety stock and first plan independent requirement that was created when we disaggregated our SOP. So now they are saying go back. Okay, what next? Now they are saying convert plan order into production order. So for this one again you have to go to monitor stock requirement list, and here you have to click on continue. Make sure these are the fields coming here. Continue. Now you are inside this screen. Here what they are asking, choose this to begin the third plan order. So this is our first plan order, this is second, and this is the third one. Okay, so we'll click here. Now on this screen the pop-up screen comes like this screen. Now here the plan order should now be converted into production order. To do this, press production order, this one. Make sure PROC order or PROD order. So we have to click on PROD order, production order. So message we receive, please release carried out. Now once we did that, you can see the quality and all, total quantity and all. Note at this point, please note down the total quantity in your production order. You will need it later when confirming your order. Okay, so what is it? Note down the total quantity in your production order. So where is the total quantity? See, total quantity 148. So note down this number. Okay, total quantity, note down this number. Not on data sheet, just note down somewhere, because as in the exercise it mentioned you have to use this number later on. So once you note down this number, now they are saying click on back arrow, go back to the production order, create header screen and save your production order with save. So we are on the production order create header menu option screen. Already we are here. So what we do, we will click on save, and be careful now. Here you will receive a production order number. See, this is the number. You have to note down this number on your data sheet. This is your first data entry on your data sheet. 1, how many zeros? I guess 4 zeros and then 2 zeros. So this is your production order number. So we are done with this step also. And then you are back again on stock requirement list. Okay. Now they are saying select, I guess this is the refresh option, this one. Yes, refresh. And they say that the plan order that you had selected is now available as a production order. See, this one become production order. Previously it was plan order. And see also the value 148. So you can see how things are so automated that you don't need to do something in repetition. Now we are going out from here and we have to do the next step, that is called receive goods in inventory. So receive goods in inventory, where we have to go? We have to go to post goods receipt without reference. Production planning execution, goods receipt clerk. So good receipt clerk here, post good receipt without reference. Okay, so here the document and posting date are already default with the current date and can thus be transferred. Automatically is there. Directly below you will find the item selection. The table there is a ready for input and offer item 01 in advance. See already 01. Okay. So what we should do? Click on the line of item 01 here. You will switch to a separate input window. Enter your material TR, this one. Here. And remove this triple hash with your number. Okay. Now they say that once you enter this value, press enter. Now they are saying now you can enter the quantity 500. 500 unit EA. Next choose plant DL00 when choosing the storage location. So plant DL00 and storage location SF00. Already coming, semi-finished goods. Okay. Choose the storage location SF00. The stock type is automatically set to unrestricted use here. And the special stock is none. Special stock is none. Now they say that apply, click on apply in new. After doing this, none, to accept your entries and at the same time to be able to specify a new item. So where is that apply and new? So here we'll click on apply and new. Now we will go back, maybe one step back. So that one is done. Now you can see line number 2. You have to repeat now this step with all materials that earlier you have changed it. So the list is given. The first material that you are going to do is, so this is a little bit long step. Do it patiently, no need for any hurry. Quantity they said 500. Plant DL00. and here the storage location is RM00. Okay. So again what we do, we will go in because we have to click on apply in new. So we will go back here now in material item 3 here. Now in item 3 what we are going to do, we put this remove this triple hash, put your number, quantity again 500. All these items that we are entering, quantity is same 500. EA. Okay, plants are same in all of them. Storage locations are also now, that is RM 00. Again unrestricted use. So let's get in, click on apply in new. So now we are in item 4. We can also do it from here as well. Material we can type here. Now TRSK1. So as I told you, this is a little long step. Remove this triple hash with your number. Okay. Quantity is 500. EA. Plant DL00. Storage location RM00. Unrestricted use, no, none. Apply in new. Now 5. So we are going to do this now. TRHB1. Replace it with triple hash with your number. Quantity 500. EA. Plant DL00. Storage location RM00. Okay, unrestricted use, none. Apply and new. So we are done with TRHB1. Now in 5, this is PEDL1. Replace this triple hash with your number. Quantity again 500. EA. Plant DL00. Storage location RM00. So we are done with now PEDL. So next CHAN1, your number. I just type it. 500. EA. DL00. RM00. So this is Chen. Now next is BRKT1. BRKT1 999 500. EA. DL00. RM00. So we are done with BRKT also. Next WDOC1. Triple line. You can see I just put small letters, doesn't matter. 500. EA. plant DL00 RM storage location. So this is WDOC. The last one left now, PCKG. So PCKG1 999 packaging 3500 EA plant DL00 storage location RM00. So now here we don't have any other material to enter, so we will click on apply. So all the material that we have added here is now mentioned. Secure your goods receipt, and here they are saying if you forget to create any other item, what you can do, you can click create again and then you will start working on it. But we have done with all, so let's do the post. And by the way, when you do this posting, a number will be generated that you have to note down. So you have to note down the number. So that is done. Let's see the next one. What is the next step we have to do? Now we are going to do step number 11. Issue goods to the production order. So I'm keeping this video till here, and I will make another video from step number 11 to 17. So let me just close it for the time being here, and then because this video is already 1 hour 7 minutes, so I'm stopping this one and I will make the part 2 after this one.